Are you over 60 and noticing your energy fading, or mornings feeling heavier than they used to? Or maybe your skin looks dull, sagging, or lined, even though you don't feel that old. You're not alone. Aging naturally slows down collagen and vitality, affecting both how you look and how you feel. Here's the exciting part. There's a simple, natural drink you can make at home that helps you feel younger, boost energy, while also helping you look younger by tightening your skin and restoring a natural glow, all without pills, harsh chemicals, or expensive creams. Imagine waking up each day feeling lighter, more energetic, and noticing both your body and your skin starting to come back to life. In this video, you'll discover exactly how to make this anti-aging drink with easy-to-find ingredients, the best way to take it to ensure maximum benefits, common mistakes seniors make that can prevent results, warnings and tips to protect your skin, digestion, and joints. By the end, you'll know a daily habit that helps seniors and men and women over 60 look and feel younger, sharper, and more vibrant, naturally. Let's talk about why this matters. After 60, the body experiences natural declines in collagen and elastin. This leads to wrinkles, sagging skin, and reduced skin firmness. Energy levels drop, and joints can feel stiff or achy. Women often notice fine lines around the eyes and lips, a loss of glow, and thinning skin, while men may see looser jawlines, deeper forehead lines, and sagging neck skin. These changes can affect confidence, mobility, and overall enjoyment of daily life. Here's the good news. Nature provides foods that help reverse some of these effects. Antioxidants, vitamin C, beta-carotene, and anti-inflammatory compounds are proven to support collagen production, protect against free radical damage, and help maintain skin elasticity. Research shows that regular intake of these nutrients helps seniors over 60 reduce visible signs of aging, boost energy, and even support joint comfort. This is where our drink comes in. It combines carrots, tomato, lemon, orange, and ginger, each ingredient carefully chosen for its anti-aging, collagen-boosting, and inflammation-reducing properties. Men and women over 60 can enjoy visible benefits in skin texture, firmness, and glow, while also supporting overall health. Before we dive into the ingredients, take a moment to subscribe to the channel and leave a comment if you're ready to rebuild collagen, tighten skin naturally, and feel and look younger after 60. You'll be joining a community of seniors dedicated to aging gracefully, boosting energy, and supporting health naturally. Section 1. Ingredients and preparation. Let's get into the heart of the drink, the ingredients and preparation. Each component has been carefully selected to support collagen production, skin elasticity, and overall anti-aging benefits for men and women over 60. Step 1. Carrots. Start with 2 fresh carrots, peeled and cut into small pieces. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, a powerful antioxidant that protects your skin from free radical damage and supports natural skin repair. Seniors who include carrots in their daily diet often notice firmer, healthier-looking skin over 60, and men specifically may see tighter jawlines and fewer fine lines around the eyes. Step 2. Tomato. Add 1 ripe tomato. Tomatoes are loaded with lycopene, which protects skin from sun damage and supports collagen formation. This makes them perfect for seniors concerned about wrinkles and sagging skin. Men over 60 may also benefit from lycopene's cardiovascular support, while women enjoy skin that looks naturally radiant and firm. Tip: choose fully ripe, red tomatoes for the highest antioxidant content. Step 3. Lemon. Next, add 1 fresh lemon, cut into small pieces. Lemons are high in vitamin C, which is essential for collagen synthesis, helping your skin stay firm and elastic. Seniors who include vitamin C in their diet notice reduced wrinkles, brighter skin, and better immune support. Women over 60 often report a softening of fine lines, while men see improved energy and joint mobility. Step 4. Orange. Add 1 juicy orange. Oranges provide natural sweetness, additional vitamin C, and hydration. They also contain flavonoids, which support healthy circulation, helping your skin look brighter and more youthful. Men and women alike will notice improved skin tone and a gentle boost in energy, making mornings feel lighter and more vibrant. Step 5. Ginger. A small piece of fresh ginger adds a gentle heat, along with anti-inflammatory and digestive benefits. Men often notice reduced joint stiffness, while women report more radiant skin and improved digestion. Ginger also helps your body absorb all the vitamins and antioxidants from the other ingredients, making the drink even more effective. Step 6. Water and blending. Pour in 300 milliliters of water, then blend all the ingredients until smooth. Pass the mixture through a sieve for a silky texture. This step ensures the drink is easy to digest, especially for seniors, and retains all the nutrients that support anti-aging. Stay tuned, because later in the video, I'll share a special tweak that supercharges results for men and women, supporting joints, digestion, and skin all at once. Plus, you'll learn exactly how to avoid common pitfalls that stop seniors from seeing results. Optional enhancements. Add a pinch of turmeric for additional anti-inflammatory support, which would be beneficial for men with joint stiffness. Add a teaspoon of honey for natural antioxidants and a gentle energy boost. Science behind the drink. Beta-carotene. Carrots protect skin cells from oxidative stress and supports natural repair. Lycopene. Tomatoes shields the skin from UV damage and helps maintain elasticity. Vitamin C. Lemon and orange crucial for collagen production and reduces wrinkle formation. Ginger reduces inflammation, supports digestion, and enhances nutrient absorption. Turmeric, optional, helps reduce joint inflammation, improving mobility for seniors over 60. Quick story. Mary, 71, added all these ingredients into her morning routine. She started noticing firmer skin, improved digestion, and even felt more energetic walking her morning route. For her, the combination of nutrients made a real difference, and she didn't need to rely on expensive creams or treatments. Tips for maximum benefits. Always use fresh, organic produce whenever possible. Fresh ingredients retain the highest levels of antioxidants and vitamins. Drink it daily on an empty stomach to maximize absorption of nutrients. Avoid adding sugar or processed sweeteners. They can reduce effectiveness. Men should focus on consistency, especially for joint and energy benefits. Keep watching for part 3, where I'll show how to take this drink properly, the mistakes to avoid, and optional tweaks that supercharge results for men and women over 60. You'll also discover what kind of results to expect and how quickly you might notice changes in your skin, energy, and overall health. Section 2. How to take mistakes and results. Timing and routine. For best results, drink 1 glass of this anti-aging mixture every morning on an empty stomach. This ensures that all the nutrients, beta-carotene, lycopene, vitamin C, and anti-inflammatory compounds, are absorbed efficiently. Drinking it first thing in the morning kickstarts your metabolism, supports digestion, and gives your skin and joints the nutrients they need after 60. Consistency is key. Even men who haven't focused on skincare before can benefit dramatically when they make this a daily habit. Common mistakes seniors make. Here's what to watch out for. Using old or canned produce. Fresh ingredients retain maximum antioxidants and vitamins. Canned or processed alternatives can reduce the drink's anti-aging potency. Adding sugar or syrups. Extra sugar can spike blood sugar levels and counteract the benefits of this natural drink. Stick to the natural sweetness of the orange and lemon. Blending with milk or other juices. Water is the best base for absorption. Milk or other juices can alter nutrient absorption and digestion. Skipping days or inconsistency. 1 glass daily is enough, but skipping days slows results. Men may be tempted to skip mornings, but maintaining the habit is essential for visible improvements. Using too little water. The drink should be smooth and easy to digest. Using too little water can make it thick and harder to absorb, reducing its effectiveness. Mary, 71, initially added sweeteners and skipped mornings. She noticed bloating and no skin improvement. Once she switched to fresh ingredients, water, and daily intake, she experienced firmer skin, brighter eyes, better digestion, and more energy. John, 68, reported less joint stiffness and more vitality after just 2 weeks. Both learned that small mistakes can significantly affect results. Consistency and proper preparation matter. Optional tweaks for extra power. Turmeric. Adding a pinch of turmeric gives additional anti-inflammatory support. Men often see reduced joint discomfort, while women enjoy enhanced skin glow and reduced puffiness. Honey. A teaspoon of natural honey provides antioxidants and a gentle energy boost. Seniors who feel low in the mornings benefit from this natural lift. Chill the drink. Some prefer it slightly chilled, which can make it more refreshing and easier to sip for seniors with sensitive teeth or digestion. Expected results for seniors over 60. When taken consistently, you can expect to notice benefits within weeks. Firmer, glowing skin. Improved elasticity and reduced fine lines for both men and women. Brighter eyes and refreshed appearance. Carrots, oranges, and lemon support natural radiance. Increased energy and vitality. Nutrients support metabolism and overall health. Reduced inflammation and joint discomfort. Ginger and optional turmeric help reduce stiffness and soreness. Collagen support. Vitamin C from lemon and orange, along with antioxidants, helps rebuild and maintain skin collagen naturally. And if you want even more ways to fight aging naturally, check out our video on 10 Vaseline hacks recommended by dermatologists. These tricks help seniors over 60 tighten skin, lock in collagen, and restore a youthful glow. You'll find the link in the description below. It's a perfect follow-up for anyone serious about aging gracefully. Remember, this isn't a magic pill. It's a simple, natural habit that fits easily into your morning routine. Men and women over 60 can see real improvements in skin, energy, and joint health without expensive creams or treatments. The key is fresh ingredients, daily intake, and avoiding common mistakes. If you try this drink, leave a comment and share your experience. Subscribe and share this video with a friend who wants to feel and look younger, rebuild collagen naturally, and support healthy skin over 60. Stay healthy, stay vibrant, and remember, one simple glass a day is all it takes for seniors to feel and look younger naturally. Your journey to glowing, firmer skin, and renewed energy starts now.